Welcome to the Beta Podcast, guys. End of summer, ready to move into the school year. Beta's starting up. I'm going to be your president this year. This is the Beta Podcast, and beside me are your two sponsors, two of three, Ms. Shanley and Ms. Kent, National Sponsors of the Year 2018.
Yeah. Before we get going too far, I do want to take an opportunity to, one, say thank you for this opportunity, because this is allowing me to live my entire life's goals. So I am loving this moment. I also do feel really bad because you don't have a trophy, and I feel like you're just kind of out there in space. So I did get you a special gift, so you have your own special trophy, okay? So here you go. I think this really fits your personality and what you need in your life. So there's a little guy. All right, there you go.
Also, we have our third Beta sponsor, Miss Hamilton, making a Oh, there she is. She just wants to come say hi real quick.
What up? Hi.
So these are our sponsors. I'm your president. It's going to be a great year. Let's go ahead and get into the details. We're just going to give you a little brief preview of this year. First of all, to recap National Beta from this year, we had a great time, won a lot of stuff, and it was really good for our chapter, if you want.
Yeah, we took a group of kids down to Savannah, Georgia this summer, and it was our most successful national convention ever. We had 7 individuals and groups that finished in the top 10 in their events. We had 2 first place finishers, Blaze Deserner in 11th grade Ag and Garrett Dockstadt in 12th grade Science. We got 6th in Banner and Spotlight on Service, 7th in Character Skit and Technology, and we finished 10th in Scrapbook. So it was pretty freaking awesome.
And I know I said before, these 2 won Sponsors of the Year, which is just freaking awesome.
Yeah.
Super proud of them. And that's pretty much that. Had a good time. Into Cougar Crew updates. We had said before that we were going to take the kids shopping before school, and that didn't work out. Couldn't do that, so we're going to instead turn it into sort of like a mentor program for the kids, if you want.
Yeah, so what we're doing this year is we're going to be going to Seagrove Elementary School every month, one time every month. We're going to be spending just a couple of hours hanging out with the students, getting to know them, doing some mentorship things. We're also going to be kind of extending that. We're going to be doing some pen pal things, doing some pep rallies with them, all sorts of exciting stuff. And we are still taking applicants for our high school members of the Cougar Crew. So if you're into this, if you're interested in hanging out with our elementary school students and helping them get a really good start on their educational career, make sure you let me or Miss Kent or Miss Hamilton know, and we'll get you set up. And you too can go on a field trip once a month to the local elementary schools.
And also pretty soon, something I'm super excited about is we're going to be starting a chapter at Seagrove for their 5th graders, starting a Beta Club there, which will be really awesome for those kids as they're coming up to go ahead and get into Beta. And that's pretty much that. Now so this is the Beta Podcast, as I mentioned before. This will be a series. We're going to do it monthly. It's sort of experimental this year. We're going to see how it works out. I just thought it would be a pretty cool idea and see if we can't get a little bit more chemistry as a Beta Club amongst ourselves. So we're planning on having 2 hosts and then a kid from each grade level coming in, and we'll vote on that. If you're doing something special or if you want to talk to us about anything that you're up to, Beta-wise or other. And we'll basically just have a short little podcast talking to each other. And that's pretty much that. See what's up. Moving on to state Beta convention this year. This time it's going to be on a Thursday and Friday in February instead of the Friday, Saturday like it used to be, so it won't be a problem with basketball. And they also changed a lot of competition names and details that will...
Yeah. So what they've done at State Beta and at the national level too is really, really cool. One, we've moved to a Thursday, Friday, which means you get to miss 2 days of school if you come with us to state convention, which I think is 2 times better than what it was before. Additionally, with the reworking of some of our competitions, what it really has done is it's kind of leveled out the playing field. So those schools who have always gone and won different competitions, cough, cough, group talent, really we've leveled out that playing field, and now all of us have a really great opportunity to go out there and prove our talent and prove that we're the best. So we're really excited about that.
And partially because of these changes, we're gonna be having a group talent this year, which I'm super excited about. And we'll see if we can win that.
Yeah.
So yeah, hoping to have a good year. Excited, and we'll see you guys later.